Hello, this video guide will explain how to schedule a meeting with an attendee Open Meetings web version. In the left menu, click on Attendees. In the attendee list, find the attendee you want to schedule a meeting with and click on the bottom Schedule Meeting. Choose date, time, and duration. Then add a title for the meeting, a short description, and if you want to schedule a physical meeting, add also the location for your meeting. And then click on Send. The attendee who you requested to meet will receive an inbox notification. You will now need to wait until the attendee has accepted to meet you. To find your requests, click on Meetings in the left menu. Under the Meeting tab, choose the date you request to meet. Here you'll be able to follow if the meeting is still pending or if it has been confirmed. Once the meeting has been accepted, you'll be able to see Join button under the title Video Conference Call. Click on it to enter the meeting room.